Is your CashApp debit card rejection making you scream into a pillow? Let's fix that. First, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. This is ground zero for most CashApp settings, so get comfy with it. Scroll down until you see Cash Support and tap it. This is your direct line to CashApp troubleshooting. Don't be shy. Under What's Going On, select something else. CashApp support articles are helpful, but sometimes you need to dig deeper. Now find and select My Cash Card. If this decline involves your Cash Card, this menu will be essential. Next, locate Card Declined or similar option. Read through the common reasons for card decline listed. Insufficient funds, incorrect card details, or a locked card are frequent culprits. Check each potential issue carefully. Verify you have enough money in your CashApp balance to cover the transaction, including any potential fees. A zero balance is a guaranteed decline. Confirm that your linked bank account is still valid and verified. An unverified or disconnected bank account can cause all sorts of problems. If this option does not appear, proceed to the following step. Double-check your privacy and security settings. Make sure your card isn't accidentally locked or restricted for online transactions. This setting is often overlooked, so be thorough. Hopefully, these steps have resolved your CashApp debit card woes. Now you can finally enjoy your purchase. Did a fix work immediately, like the video? Or did a fix from B help your frustration? Hit subscribe. If C helped you with privacy, leave a comment. And if this process made you smile, give it a like.